Hello, my name is Tristan Williams, your senior class president, and today we would love to welcome you to our 2020-2021 virtual open house. Before you continue, there are a couple things we would love you to look at and to do. Once you take a look at the list, you will be directed to a link for a sign-in form. Here, you will be directed to sign in and fill out any information needed. Once you do that, head over back to the table of contents, and you can go ahead and go to the second slide. Here you will find our table of contents. For the first thing, you will see our administration, counselors, and nurse. If you need any information from those three entities, please take a look at the videos and the links. On December 8th will be our live PM sessions. Those will be from 4:30 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. And on December 15th will be our live AM sessions. Those will only be for available teachers from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. And if you go through and look at the teachers' names, there will be a star next to some teachers' names. These teachers, if you click their link, they will be able to technically support you or navigate you through our notebook. So once you do that, you can head over back to our table of contents. And if you would like to be directed to any specific department, such as our theater department, you can click their link and you will be directed to a page where you see their content from the year. Thank you so much, and we hope you enjoy.